Hi, I'm Prof. Rajesh Nair. I'm an inventor, engineer, entrepreneur, and an educator. I firmly believe that learning is a lifelong process, and the most important skill that you can teach a child to be prepared for the next century's skills is the ability to learn and learn fearlessly. Exposure in the formative years of a child leads to curiosity, creativity, and confidence. I'm sure as adults, we can all relate to one experience that changed the life trajectory of your life. The question is, can you create an experience that can nurture the innovative mindset of a child? My answer is yes. My research for the last 8 years at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology and at Asia School of Business has exactly been on this. The Zero2Maker program was built on this research. The program exposes young minds to the critical 21st century skills such as critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, STEM through experiential learning. We use a combination of mechanical design, electronic system design, coding, and product design techniques to do this. The participants get a specially curated maker kit to learn with and a series of challenges designed to lead them to be future makers and innovators. I have conducted this program in universities and schools in the United States and Asia, and I have seen a significant change in the creative confidence and self-learning skills of the participants. We hope to bring this transformational experience to the young minds of India. Please come join us.